Exposing the secret to a perfect shave. It's simpler than you think. Meet the Philips Aquatouch.
This is the Philips Aquatouch. The dual blade system of the Philips AT892 electric shaver provides a comfortably close shave as the hairs are lifted before being cut.
In addition to that, the Philips Aquatech is durable. Philips shavers are designed to last a long time and provide you with a high-quality shave every day.
Clean the shaver quickly and easily with this cleaning station. The Philips Jet Clean system has an automatic cleaning program. This allows you to thoroughly degrease and clean the shaver heads.
Fine-tune and define the mustache and sideburns with the flip-up trimmer, and easily complete your look. Use your handy cordless shaver for tangle-free trimming, or plug it in for a reliable corded shave when the battery is dead.
The shaver has a fast and efficient battery.
After just 1 hour of charging, you get 45 minutes of shaving time. Clean your electric shaver with the push of a button. Just open the shaving head and rinse with water.
For a particularly gentle experience, you can use the razor with shaving foam or shaving gel, both for dry and wet shaving. The razor is 100% waterproof. You can even shave in the shower.
Since the Philips Aquatouch is completely waterproof, you can wash it with water after use to remove hair residue and clean the device hygienically.
With the Aquatech seal, you get a pleasant dry shave and a refreshing wet shave. With this razor, you can enjoy a refreshing wet and dry shave without having to worry about skin damage. Please feel free to check out my other shaver videos.
I also make watch reviews on this YouTube channel. Please watch world reviews on YouTube. Please watch my videos.
Do me a favor and just try it. Give it a try. Do it every week for 3 hours. 50% of the people will say, "Oh, that's too long." Jesus Christ.
Why do 95% of watch enthusiasts trust world reviews? We review hundreds of watches from all price points, featuring stunning HD video and original photography. Our honest, in-depth analyses help you make the right buying decisions with ease.
Believe me.
Whether you're a seasoned collector or just starting out, World Reviews provides buying guides, advice and inspiration tailored just for you, and guess what? We even have subtitles in various languages so you can enjoy our content no matter where you're from. Trustworthy, detailed and visually captivating, that's World Reviews. Subscribe now
So stop making excuses.
and join our community of watch lovers. World Reviews, your go-to source for everything watches on YouTube.